Ladies and gentlemen, I hope you're doing well. Today we're going to see how we can disable password complexity in Windows Server 2019. If you are trying to create a domain user in Active Directory, then the password that you're going to give to the user must meet certain requirements or complexity requirements. And the default settings, the password must contain 7 characters, and these 7 characters must be a combination between numbers, digits, and special characters. So let's try to create a user. The user, we call it test, and then the last name will be user 555, and then we will give it a login name, test user 555, and then next. I have set of passwords in here. This is the first one, is ABC1234. So we'll just copy and paste this password, and then we'll paste it in here. Next, finish. Once we are trying to create a user, we come across this message, and simply this message says the minimum password requirements haven't been met, therefore we cannot create this user, or we cannot use this one as a password. Let's try the second one. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and then underscore. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 underscore, and then next, finish. Also, we get the message once again. It simply says that the password minimum requirement haven't been met. And if we use this one, most likely it works because it has number, digits, and special characters. So we paste and then finish. It accepts this one because it meets the password requirement. So if we want to disable this, we can disable it by going to Server Manager, and the Server Manager we go to Tools and then Group Policy Management. In Group Policy Management, and the first we go to Domains, and then we choose our domain. Our domain is omag.local, and this is the default or global group policy. So we'll just right click on it, edit. Let me just maximize this, and then we will go under computer configuration to policies, and then Windows settings, and then security settings. Under security settings, you'll go to account policies, and then password policy. From here, you can change the policies related to the password. So we want to disable the password complexity. We can just select this one, password must meet complexity requirements, and then we disable it, apply, okay. And also we can change the minimum password length. We'll just double click on it, and then let's say we want the password to be like 3 characters or more. We will just apply and then okay, and then we will exit. So now we can create a password that contain only 3 characters, and these characters can be complex or not even complex. It doesn't make any difference. Before we create a user, we need to update this policy, and updating this policy can be done through a command. It's gp update. So we'll just open the command prompt, cmd, and from here we will type this command, gp update space / force, and then we hit enter. By executing this command forcibly, the policy that we have just updated will be applied to all the users and computers, to all the computers under this domain. So now if we want to create a user, we can create a user, and we can give this user a password that contain only 3 characters without any issues. So we'll create a test user. Let's say this test user 0000, and then the username will be test user 12344, 4 zeros. Next, and then we'll just give it a password. Let's say 999. Next, finish, and it accept the password because we have updated the password complexity and length settings. I hope this video was informative for you, and I wish you a lovely day. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.